Start with a magic circle and chain 1. This chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 6 single crochets into this circle. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. This one. Next round, start with chain 1. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 2 single crochets into each and every stitch. This is the first stitch. Continue with 2 single crochets into each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet, and while making the slip stitch, change the yarn color, and you can weave up this yarn. Chain 3 and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 3 and a slip stitch into the same stitch. That's one petal made. 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Chain 3, 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 3, a slip stitch into the same stitch. One slip stitch into the next stitch and continue with the stitches. Chain 3, 1 double crochet, chain 3, a slip stitch into the same stitch. To continue, make a slip stitch into the next stitch. This is how it should look. Continue with the stitches. Chain 3, a double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 3, a slip stitch into the same stitch. A slip stitch into the next stitch. Make a slip stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.